Good morning, students. We are going to discuss about properties of inverse trigonometric function. Last class we have discussed fundamental things about inverse trigonometric function. Now, property 1. Property 1. Property A. 1. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Condition is there. Theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Similarly, 2 cos inverse cos theta is equal to also theta. Condition theta belongs to principal branch, that is 0 to pi. Principal branch 0 to pi. Third one, tan inverse tan theta also is equal to theta. Condition theta belongs to also principal branch open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Fourth one, sec cot inverse cot theta. Cot inverse cot theta is equal to theta. Condition theta belongs to principal branch 0 to pi open interval. Fifth one, sec inverse sec theta is equal to theta. Condition theta belongs to also principal branch closed interval 0 to pi minus curly bracket pi by 2, because sec of pi by 2 is equal to infinite. Last one, 6, cosec inverse cosec theta is equal to theta. Condition theta belongs to same principal branch closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 minus curly bracket 0, because sin 0 is 0, so cosec 0 is infinite. Hence theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 minus curly bracket 0. Now proof 1. Let sin theta is equal to x. Sin theta is equal to x. This implies theta is equal to sin inverse x. But what is x? X is equal to sin theta. So implies theta is equal to sin inverse sin, what is x? X is equal to sin theta. So this is sin theta. Therefore sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta. Condition minus pi by 2 less than is equal to theta less than is equal to plus pi by 2, that is theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. For example, sin inverse sin pi by 6 is equal to pi by 6, because pi by 6 belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. But sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 is not equal to 2 pi by 3, since 2 pi by 3 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now we have to reduce 2 pi by 3. We have to reduce this angle 2 pi by 3 belongs to principal branch of sine theta, that is sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 means pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 means 2 pi by 3. तो साइन पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3, बट साइन पाई माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? साइन थीटा. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स साइन पाई बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3. देयरफॉर साइन इनवर्स साइन 2 पाई बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? पाई बाई 3. Next, write down next example, second one. Find the value of tan inverse tan 3. We know that solution. We know that tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta condition minus pi by 2 less than theta less than plus pi by 2. But 3 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, because since pi means 3.141, pi by 2 means 3.141 divided by 2, that is 1.57 nearly. Pi by 2 means 1.57. Now we have to convert 3 belongs to this interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now tan inverse tan theta tan 3 is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 pi plus tan inverse tan pi plus 3 minus pi cancel, so 3 is there, is equal to tan inverse tan pi plus theta. Pi plus theta means tan theta, that is 3 minus pi, since tan pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. So is equal to 3 minus pi, because 3 minus pi means 3 minus 3.141 is equal to minus 0.141 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Hence tan inverse tan 3 is equal to 3 minus pi. Therefore tan inverse tan 3 is equal to 3 minus pi, which belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Next property, property number 2. Property number 2. Property number 2 or B, property प्रॉपर्टी बी 1 साइन ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x साइन ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x इज इक्वल टू x कंडीशन इज देयर कंडीशन -1 लेस देन इज इक्वल टू x लेस देन इज इक्वल टू +1 साइन इनवर्स x means value तो value lies between -1 to +1 in case of sin and cos similarly to cos of cos inverse x is equal to also x condition -1 less than is equal to x less than is equal to +1 3 tan of tan inverse x is equal to x condition x belongs to real number r 4 cot of cot inverse x is equal to x comma x belongs to same real number r 5 sec of sec inverse x is equal to x condition what is the condition now x belongs to minus infinity to -1 close union 1 to infinity close or x less than or equal to -1 and x greater than or equal to +1 or 6 cosec of cosec inverse x is equal to x this also same condition x belongs to -infinity to -1 union 1 to infinity proof 1 we need to show that sin of sin inverse x is equal to x let sin inverse x is equal to theta x belongs to -1 to +1 whereas theta belongs to close interval -π/2 to +π/2 this implies x is equal to sin theta x is equal to sin theta implies x is equal to sin what is theta theta is sin inverse x so put here sin inverse x therefore sin of sin inverse x is equal to x similarly we can prove cos of cos inverse x is equal to x tan of tan inverse x is equal to x cot of cot inverse x is equal to x sec of sec inverse x is equal to x and cosec of cosec inverse x is equal to x but x belongs to different their domain different domain next one property C property C 1 sin inverse minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x 2 tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x 3 cosec inverse minus x is equal to minus cosec inverse x but 4 cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x 5 cot inverse minus x is equal also pi minus cot inverse x. 6 sec inverse minus x is equal to pi minus sec inverse x. This condition minus 1 less than equal x less than equal plus 1. Here x belongs to R. Here x mod x greater than is equal to 1. This also minus 1 less than is equal to x less than is equal to 1. This is x belongs to R and this is mod x greater than is equal to 1. This theta belongs to, in first case theta belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. In second case theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Third case theta belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 minus curly bracket 0. That means in first three cases theta belongs to first quadrant and fourth quadrant and first quadrant. Fourth quadrant and first one, so since theta belongs to fourth quadrant, so this is minus. But here in three cases theta belongs to 0 to pi. This also theta belongs to open interval 0 to pi. Also theta belongs to close interval 0 to pi minus curly bracket pi by 2. In these 3, 4, 5, 6, these are belongs to first and second quadrant. Then first and second quadrant means 0 pi by 2 to pi. So they are pi minus. The range of these nearly same. Range of 4, 5, 6 nearly same. Range of 1, 2, 3 nearly same. So they are one type, they are another type. Proof. 1. Let sin inverse minus x is equal to theta. So implies minus x is equal to sin theta. Minus x is equal to sin of theta. Implies x is equal to minus sin theta. X is equal to minus sin theta. Implies x is equal to minus sin theta means sin of minus theta. So this is sin of minus theta. Implies sin of minus theta is equal to x. Implies minus theta is equal to sin inverse x. Implies theta is equal to minus sin inverse x. But what is theta? Theta is sin inverse minus x. Therefore, sin inverse minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. In this case, minus 1 less than equal x less than equal plus 1 and theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Therefore, sin inverse minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. You should remember this property. Next proof property 4. Cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Pi minus cos inverse x. Again, proof of 4. Cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. X belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. Proof. Let cos inverse minus x is again theta. Theta belongs to close interval 0 to pi. This is the principal branch range. So implies minus x is equal to cos of theta. Minus x is equal to cos of theta implies x is equal to what? Minus cos theta. Implies x is equal to minus cos theta means cos of pi minus theta. Cos of pi minus theta, because cos of pi theta is equal to minus cos theta. In second quadrant cos is negative. So this implies cos pi minus theta is equal to x. Implies pi minus theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. Implies pi minus cos inverse x is equal to theta. Theta is now theta taking to right side and cos inverse x taking to left side. So pi minus cos inverse x is equal to theta. So this implies pi minus cos inverse x. What is theta? Theta is cos inverse minus x. So this is cos inverse minus x. There cos inverse minus x, because theta is cos inverse minus x. Therefore cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Pi minus cos inverse x. These are the proof of property C. Next, another property 4. Property D. 1. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. X belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Condition x belongs to real number r, because tan inverse x and cot inverse x belongs to real number r. Third one, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Here x is either less than is equal to minus 1 or x greater than is equal to plus 1. That is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 semi open semi close union 1 to infinity. This is the property D. Proof of first one. Let sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sorry, let sin inverse x is equal to theta. So implies what is x? X is equal to what? Sin theta. Implies x is equal to sin theta means cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta means cos 90 minus theta or cos pi by 2 minus theta. This is cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta implies cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to what? X. Implies pi by 2 minus theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. Cos inverse x. Implies pi by 2 is equal to cos inverse x plus what? Theta. Theta is go to right side. Implies pi by 2 is equal to cos inverse x plus theta. What is theta? Theta is there. Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Therefore sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Condition -1 less than equal to x less than is equal to +1. Similarly, we can prove also tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 and sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Next example, find the range. Example, find the range of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x minus tan inverse x. Find the range of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x minus tan inverse x. Solution. Let y is equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x minus tan inverse x. What is the domain of x? Sin inverse x. What is the domain of this x? Now this x domain. This is -1 to +1 close interval. This also cos -1 to +1 close interval, and this in tan inverse real number r. Domain of sin inverse x is -1 to +1 close interval. Domain of cos inverse x is equal to -1 to +1 close interval, and domain of tan inverse x is equal to real number r. But they are single function. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x minus tan inverse x is a single function. So domain of single function means domain all intersection of all the domains. Intersection of all the domains. Therefore, domain of y is equal to -1 to 1 intersection, again -1 to 1 intersection r. What? -1 to +1. This is the domain of y. Domain of y is equal to -1 to +1. This is the domain of whole function. But we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Therefore, y is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. This is pi by 2. This is pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Since x belongs to -1 to +1, that is -1 less than equal x less than equal +1. This implies tan inverse -1 less than is equal to tan inverse x less than is equal to tan inverse 1. This implies -pi by 4 less than is equal to tan inverse x less than is equal to pi by 4. So tan inverse x lies between -pi by 4 to what? Plus pi. Tan inverse x lies between -pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. So minus tan inverse x lies between, therefore minus tan inverse x lies between same minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Same minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus or max value of y, pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4, and mean value of y, pi by equal to pi by 4. Therefore, range of y, that is equal y equal to is pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 close interval. Pi by 4 to 3 by 4 close interval. Hence, range of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x minus tan inverse x is pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 close interval.